a smile to light up the day. And I watched you love like an endless parade. And I'd celebrate your every move.
Maya Donnie, I want you to know that you are my answered prayer. I remember when we were in our first year in college that I was the first one who fell in love with you. It was me who liked you first. It was also that year when we both started to know more about Jesus.
My wife, standing here today in the presence of God, to our family and friends, I am filled with overwhelming joy and gratitude that God has a special plan for us. A plan rooted in His eternal love and divine purpose.
Running now, if I am your only doubt, 'cause nothing could slow me down when I'm on my way to you.
Prayer, and then that moment, sabi ko, siya, binigay ako sa Lord, napagaling ako, kasama ko siya.
Sa lahat ng happiness and sadness ng life ko, nandiyan siya. Yung relationship kasi namin, masasabi ko talaga na Christ-centered. And I'm so grateful to the Lord that He let me encounter you and be part of my life. Jesus is the reason why our relationship works. Without Him, hindi talaga tayo tatagal ng ganito. Iba pa rin talaga yung buhay na may Jesus.
Don't you stop
Alright, so now ladies and gentlemen, let us give the seated out to us. We are now going to welcome for the first time as husband and wife. Please welcome Mr. Adonis and Mrs. Princess Balestero.
As we build our life together, I promise to keep Christ at the center of our marriage. I promise to be your faithful husband. Promise to always make you laugh. And promise to take care, respect, and love you.
Okay, Adonis, you may now kiss yours.
They always say that, Princess, ang swerte naman ni Adonis sa'yo. Pero hindi nila alam na ako ang maswerte kay Adonis. Kasi alam ko, ikaw yung lalaki na hindi ako iiwan at papabayaan. Babe, I may not be a perfect wife, but I assure you, nakaramay mo ako sa lahat ng bagay at sabay natin naabutin ang ating mga pangarap. Ako ang lagi mong kakampi at lagi mong tatandaan, ikaw at ikaw ang pipilin ko sa bawat araw.
Well, happy ako sa inyong dalawa ni Pasha. At least now, nakita na natin kung saan nag-end yung panliligaw. For how many years na magka-relationship kayo as boyfriend and girlfriend. Look at we are now. Bibigyan mo na siya ng mga more happy moments.
We've been together for 10 years at ang dami na natin pinagdaan. Alam mo yan, kasama kita sa lahat ng saya at lungkot sa buhay ko. And I'm just so proud to say to everyone na ang blessed ko na magkaroon ng Adonis sa buhay ko.
Daming hindrances, madaming obstacles in life. But Thank you kasi nanatili ka. Nanatili tayong maging matatag. And I am happy na ikaw yung mapapakasawa ko at wala nang iba.
Breaking the mind open to see as a child again. Let's
Be always the best you are. You're such a kind daughter and love you. Everything is already with you. Love you.
Pagsama niyo yung Jesus, huwag mo pabayaan. Sana, di ka magbago ang ugali. Dahil buhat na maliit ka, mabait eh.
Love you, ma.
Love you.
Group hug ka ta.
I am just so excited to start and build our own family. Alam ko ang dami nating pinagdaanan at ang dami nating oras na binigay para dito. At napakasaya ko kasi na-achieve ko to nakasama ka. Eto na, magsisimula na tayo. I want to spend my life with you until my last breath. I love you, Daddy. Baka iiyak siya.
Joy, I am so blessed to have you in my life, and I couldn't imagine growing old with anyone else but you, Joy. I declare today that may our marriage be a testament to His glory, a reflection of His eternal love. At sa araw na to, tayo magkasama, mananatili, magtitiwala sa Diyos, panghabang buhay. To God be all the glory.
And that is brought to us by Metanoia Film.